Welcome to this 4-bedroom house for sale in Waterfall City Heliport, Midrand 2066, South Africa for R4,980,000 rand. The classy, clean lines and cool open spaces of this tranquil home will captivate even the most discerning home buyer. The split-level ground floor includes a modern, well-lit designer kitchen opening onto a spacious dining room and covered patio, with subtle stacker doors that share wide-open views of the neat-as-a-pin garden, a landscaper's dream canvas. The second floor includes 4 bedrooms, 2 ensuite, a 3rd bathroom and a stylish lounge perfectly suited to movies, popcorn, and quality time with family or friends. A lounge, study, and large patio complete the top floor, along with magnificent valley views from every bedroom. With a cloakroom and separate scullery downstairs, tasteful finishes and a decorator's touch throughout, this elegant home is both striking and convenient, within walking distance of the country village clubhouse. A must-have modern masterpiece. For more information on this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact us.